Can you blow the bubbles? Good job. I can't see them, Addie. You got to turn around and blow them this way.
She's catching two at the same time.
Oh, she's catching them. What? Ta-da! That's amazing. Can you blow some more? Oh, looks like you need more. Here, blow them towards Mama. Blow me some bubbles. Wow.
Good catch. How many can you catch?
1, 2, pop.